Vivo S20 and S20 Pro smartphones with powerful processors, massive batteries, and impressive camera systems. Vivo has unveiled its latest S20 series smartphones in China, its latest premium mid-range contender, which will go head-to-head with the likes of the Oppo Reno 13 series and the Redmi K80 series. The series comprises two models, the S20 and the S20 Pro. Both devices feature a 6.67 inches, 1.5K, 120Hz AMOLED display, offering vivid visuals and a smooth user experience. The S20 comes with a flat screen, providing a straightforward design, while the S20 Pro includes a quad-curved display that extends slightly to the edges for a more modern look. The screens can reach up to 4,500 nits of peak brightness, ensuring clear visibility even in bright light, and utilize high-frequency PWM dimming to help reduce eye strain during prolonged use. The S20 is equipped with the Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 SoC, providing reliable performance for everyday tasks and more demanding applications. Meanwhile, the S20 Pro features the Mediatek Dimensity 9300+ SoC, designed to deliver high-end performance for intensive tasks and gaming. According to Vivo, the S20 Pro achieves AnTuTu benchmark scores of up to 2.25 million points, highlighting its ability to handle complex workloads effectively. Both devices equips 12GB or 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM and sports up to 512GB of UFS 3.1 storage. Both models are equipped with capable camera systems suitable for a variety of photography needs. The S20 features a dual camera setup with a 50-megapixel main sensor and OIS for stable, detailed photos, paired with an 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens for capturing wide landscapes and group shots. The S20 Pro offers a more advanced triple camera system, including a 50-megapixel main sensor with OIS, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, and a 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom for clear shots of distant subjects. Both devices also come with a 50-megapixel front camera for sharp selfies and video calls. The S20 packs a massive 6,500 mAh battery, ensuring long-lasting usage without frequent charging. The S20 Pro offers a 5,500 mAh battery, providing ample power for even the most demanding users. Both devices support 90 watts fast charging, allowing for rapid replenishment of the battery and minimizing downtime. Detailed designs and textures, adding a refined and stylish touch to the devices. The phones are designed with a slim profile and comfortable ergonomics, making them easy to handle. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.